Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm back with another website. Like you see with me here is called PartnerStack, and it's a partner management platform that helps businesses build and manage partnership with affiliates, resellers, and your referral partner. So to get started with the website, simply head on over to PartnerStack or PartnerStack.com in Google or any other browser that you prefer. And this is here all the results I have after my search. I have the official site and some similar websites and some and their page on Twitter. Like you see with me here, we need the official site. That means the first one. Let's click on the first link. PartnerStack Partner Ecosystem Platform rated number 1. So once you click to the link, you go directly to the present page or the home page, where you can find some key features and some other informations. And the button here is where you can book a demo. And if you have already an account on PartnerStack, you need just a login from this one here. Okay, let's accept this one here. And you can find all the informations about the PartnerStack here. You need just to read them and you will understand very well the website. So we will come back to this page later after I show you how to create an account and how to get started on PartnerStack. First thing, you need to go over here and do one click. And so when you click on it, you go directly to the present page, where you can find or fill this information right here. For the first name, I have already some information from my Gmail. You need to enter the first name, the last name, and the business email. Then you need to enter the mobile phone over here with the country that you residence in, like this. And here you will write just your number. Then for the company name, you need just to write it over here, and the number of the employees, you need just to select one from here. This is independent to you and your number of the employees. And for this question here, that how do you want to use the PartnerStack? Okay, you need just to select the answer. We have that you are B2B software company and want to manage your own program, or you are a partner and want to join program to earn money, or you are an agency and want to manage program for your clients. You need to select what you want from PartnerStack, okay? And for this question, that how did you hear about us? If this is the first time that you hear about PartnerStack, you will just, like example, write YouTube, or from social media, or from Google search, and these examples. And for what you'd like to learn about on this call, so here you need just to fill what you want to learn about this call. You can, like example, write anything you want to learn about it. Okay, just I write everything. And if you want to subscribe to receive the communications from PartnerStack, you will click on this button here. If you don't want to do that, you need just to don't do anything in this case over here. And after that, you need just to click on book your partner demo. I cannot do that because I didn't fill all the information here. Like you see, they ask for the business email and I have just a normal email, so I just show you the different information that you need to fill to use PartnerStack. So after you book your partner demo, you will just create the account successfully to get started with the PartnerStack. Now let's come back to the home page to show you this website is for what and how to use it. Okay, let's click on this one here. And like you see here, we have a very important key feature is that one, the partner program, and it's the PartnerStack allows businesses to easily import, manage, and communicate with their partners. It provides a centralized dashboard where businesses can track partner performance, monitor commissions, and manage partner relationships effectively. And also it's about the partners requirement, like the PartnerStack offers tools to help businesses find and recruit new partners. It's enable businesses to create partner sign up pages, personalized referral link, and customer leading pages to attract potential partners and expand their partner network. So let's click on it to see what it's present and the different information that it's present to us. So here, like you see with me, easier to become a partner on the PartnerStack. You need just to go over here and click on become a partner. So to become a partner, you need to choose the right program for you. We have here some types. We have the affiliate program, referral program, solution program, and teach partnerships. So you need to read the information about everyone from this type of programs to choose one of them. And like example, let's suppose that you like the affiliate one. After you read this text over here, you need just to click on learn more. And like you see with me here, to become affiliate partner, we choose the affiliate program. And this is how to do that. You have these 3 channels over here: amplify your reach, convert leads faster, and take on least risk. And if you want to know how it works, this affiliate program, you need just to read these 3 texts over here. To become an expert is the first step, and then you need to promote PartnerStack, and the last one is to read top rewards. And also the partners of the PartnerStack have some questions. Maybe you have someone from them. You will need you will find just you will find them here with their answer. Like example, if you have a question in your head about how do you get paid, or how this program open to everyone, or how will joining this program get me or gets you access to the PartnerStack marketplace, you need just to click on the question to find the answer. So this is all our website today. I hope you understand the purpose of the website. If you like the video, please subscribe for more and follow me to see more videos like that. So my guys, like usual, let me tell you bye bye, my guys. Until that time, please still in good health. I hope you like my channel.